Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51. In this video I will show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of passwords: known, swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is none and swipe. Now let's select password, enter at least 4 characters. And next, let's select PIN number. To create it, enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go to fingerprint unlock, fingerprint management, unlock it, and register. Now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap OK, and now use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.